Hi everyone, welcome to Izzy Couponing. My name is Arceli. Appreciate you joining me today for another couponing video at Walgreens. In today's video, I'll be going over this week's deal starting on August 6th through August 12th. Now, I did receive a new digital spend coupon this week. Earn $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. And if you didn't use the digital coupon of earn $7 when spending $25 on Walgreens branded products, it's also available. Plus, don't forget about that month-long spend coupon where you can earn extra Walgreens cash when you make so many purchases. Let me know down in the comments what digital spend coupon you received this week. However, there's also a paper spend coupon that you can also use to earn Walgreens cash if you didn't receive a digital one. And yes, the paper and the digital spend coupons do stack together, but you must use the Pay Now option on your Walgreens app to make this happen. Once you click on that Pay Now button, a barcode will show up for the cashier to scan along with scanning your paper spend coupon. But before I get started, I noticed there's been an update on the Walgreens app to view digital coupons. In the past, I was able to view all coupons all at once, but since this last week, all digital coupons are within the categories at the very top. So let's go ahead and get started and look at some deals of the week. Keep in mind, you must do these deals in separate transactions if it's the same promotion, and you must do them in store to earn that register reward for the promotion. First deal I was looking at, it's actually a repeat deal under personal care. Olay is on sale this week for $7 each, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $4 registry reward. There's a $5 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $16 out of pocket, but you get back a $4 registry reward and a $5 P&G registry reward for spending $20, as my store is tagged with this promotion, making the final cost $7 or $2.33 each. And if you prefer the Old Spice this week, it's on sale $7 each, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $4 registry reward. There is a $5 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $16 out of pocket but get back that $4 registry reward and $4 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $8 or $2.66 each. Old Spice deodorants on sale 2 for $13, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. There is a $5 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $14.50 out of pocket but get back that $5 registry reward and $6 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $3.50 or $1.16 each. Same promotion but with the secret deodorants on sale 2 for $13, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. There's a $5 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $14.50 but get back that $5 registry reward and $2 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $7.50 or $2.50 each. Next, hair care. The Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner, 2 for $8, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $3 registry reward. There's a $3 off digital coupon available, so you'll pay $5 out of pocket but get back that $3 registry reward, making the final cost $2 or $1 each. Or if you prefer Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner, also on sale 2 for $8, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $3 registry reward. There is a separate $3 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $5 out of pocket but get back that $3 registry reward, making the final cost $2 or $1 each. Tresemme is on sale $6 each, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. There's a $5 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $13 out of pocket but get back that $5 registry reward, making the final cost $8 or $2.66 each. Next, dental care. Crest Oral-B products are on sale $5 each, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $3 registry reward. There is a $2 off digital coupon for a toothbrush and a $2 off digital coupon for a toothpaste, so you'll pay $6 out of pocket but get back that $3 registry reward, making the final cost $3 or $1.50 each. If you've already used these coupons, there is a $3 off of 2 available. Colgate is back on sale $4 each, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $5 registry reward. There is a $1 off digital coupon for the toothbrush and a $1 off digital coupon for the toothpaste, so you pay $6 out of pocket but you'll get back that $5 registry reward, making the final cost $1 or 50 cents each. Much better dental care deal here. Listerine's on promotion. When you spend $10, you earn a $5 in Walgreens cash. There is a $1 off digital coupon, so I recommend picking up 2 priced at $10.99, so you'll spend $21.98 out of pocket but earn back $10 in Walgreens cash, plus submit to activate rewards to receive a $5 Visa card when spending $20. It's going to make the final cost $5.98 or $2.99 each. Huggies are on sale 2 for $21, and on promotion when you spend $40, you get a $10 registry reward. There is a $1 off digital coupon. Out of pocket will be $41 when buying 4, but you'll get back that $10 registry reward from the promotion, plus $1 back from shopping, and submit to Fetch for points, making the final cost $30 or $7.50 each. Next, Dawn Dish Liquid on sale for $1.24 each, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $1 registry reward. No digital coupons that I saw, so you'll pay $2.48 out of pocket but get back a $1 registry reward from the promotion, making the final cost $1.48 or 74 cents each. A good razor deal on Gillette and Venus. When you buy 2, you get $10 in Walgreens cash. There is a $3 off digital coupon for Venus razor and a $3 off digital coupon for a Gillette razor. So you'll pay $16 out of pocket but get back $10 in Walgreens cash. Final cost is $6 or $3 each. Moving on to a couple of laundry care deals. Gain is on sale for $9.99 each, and on promotion when you buy two, you get a $4 registry reward. There are a couple of $2 off digital coupons. Pay $15.98 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $4 registry reward from the promotion, making the final cost $11.98 or $5.99 each. My favorite deal, the Tide Simply Bounce Downy, are on sale 2 for $9. No digital coupons on the Walgreens app, but you can print a few off of pggoodeveryday.com. However, without coupons, the final price will be $2.25 each, or with the coupons, it'll be $1.87 each. Next, Arm & Hammer, the scent boosters are on sale. Buy one at $7.79, get two free. No digital coupons, but there is an Ibotta rebate of $1 back for each, making the final cost $4.79 or $1.59 each. Cotton Nail paper products are on sale $4.99. Shopkick has 355 kicks back on the 4-pack, making the final cost $3.57. Moving on to some online and miscellaneous deals. Starting off with some Suave deodorants. Online price for specific ones are $1.79 each, and there is a $2.50 off digital coupon, but it's adjusting down to $1.79 and 50 cents off digital coupon is also applying. Plus a discount code GET10 takes an additional 13 cents off, so that's going to make the final cost $1.16 for both. Next online deal is the Rimmel eyeliner on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. Online price when you buy two is $7.18. There is a $4 off digital coupon plus online discount code GET10 for an additional 32 cents off. Plus submit a paper receipt to Ibotta for $4 back, making these items free. Next, specific Febreze products have a couple of digital coupons applying. One for $2.30 for a small spaces and another $2.30 for a car. Plus online discount code of GET10 takes an additional 20 cents off. So that's going to make the final cost $1.80 for both. Moving on to miscellaneous deals, starting with Kellogg's cereal. On sale when you buy one, you get two free. There is a $1 off digital coupon, and Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on specific Kellogg's cereal, making the final cost 93 cents each. However, starting August 7th, there is a Kellogg's promotion. When you buy 5, you get a $3 registry reward. So here's a breakdown. So you're going to buy 6 Kellogg's cereals. There is a $1 off digital coupon. So you'll pay $12.58 out of pocket, but get back $6 from Ibotta and that $3 registry reward, making the final cost 59 cents for each. Up next are the complete home bags on sale. Buy one, get two free, making the final cost 93 cents each. And then finally the Hershey share bags on sale. Buy two, get one free. There is a $2 off digital coupon applying. The final cost is $2.99 each bag. Now, if you haven't seen my video yesterday, there is a specific Skittle bags that are ringing up at 49 cents each without any coupons needed. So make sure that you're checking your store. And then finally, looking at the digital spend coupon that I received this week, I will be combining the promotions for Colgate, Dawn, Whole Blends, plus adding 2 of the Febreze products. So the total after the digital coupons will be $15.46 out of pocket. I will be getting back a $1 registry reward for the Dawn, a $3 registry reward for the Whole Blends, a $5 registry reward for Colgate, and $7 in Walgreens cash for spending $25, making this purchase absolutely free. Now, these are items that I need this week, so a great spend deal this week. Quick reminder, if for any reason any of the registry rewards don't print, if the tags are up in your store, simply ask for Walgreens cash in place. If not, you can always submit a receipt to Catalina to receive a registry reward through the mail. So I'm going to end my video here. Make sure to check out my other Walgreens videos throughout the week as I will be in store. But if you enjoy couponing or simply watching couponing videos, click on that like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Bye, everyone.